I present you the multimedia art project between breath and silence. The multimedia project between breath and silence explores the subtle meandering between memory, the body, and spiritual practice. The breaking heart of the entire project is the precious and historically rich symbol of the theme, a restored point to shoes. One uses to apply gatherings of national, opera, and ballet theatre. These subjects are not simple strong props, but silence is a visible engine that explores treasures of movement, of rhythm, of distance, the passage of time, and the imagery of human access. In sculpture, there is a sprint drawn to contrast and fusion of organic form and different elements. The pointy shoes are integrated stripped into the works, apparently cascaded forcing inside of the body, working with clay, right mesh, acrylic paints, structural pastel tracing, and placing in the creation's mirror base, appointing reflections to the reality of failure of human process of the scare that time leaves on letters. The painting explores the same constantly progressing the work of the tension between what visible, what remains, and how hiding. On the canvas, the pointed shoes are incorrected. It's a real object, and at the same time is a project of memory. Drawing's technique is combined with leading textile color, erasing and anti-reflecting glass, the images over of layers. The constant reflection becomes the symbol of the serious nature of memories of the considered living incident in the past. The culmination of the journey is the spiritual restoration, a link between the material and immaterial. Here reconciliations of the bonded shoes hold in the veil, evoking a moment frozen in the time. And the aluminium structure supports metal mesh of Bergam flexibility from which hands and the head emerge. The hand reached through the mirror on the floor, uncased stands between memory, warranty, and revelations. The presence of sense and the play of reflection break the distance between the evidences of your transforming then into an interior of the door. The space resonates with the poet from Exodus 3:11. He has made everything beautiful in its time. In it, he has set eternity in the heart of the man. The secret text that he has shared religious literalism to become a universal image to transfer of spiritual poems. Unfortunately, between breath and silence is an invasion to contemporary in the place of everyone, and inclusion, their own reflection between theory on time and their love and eternity. Thank you for your attention.